Hey everybody and welcome to The Tops, where we help you make informed crypto decisions. How do you make $388 a day from crypto? Follow the links provided in the description and watch this video to get information on which cryptos to buy. Stay tuned to the end where you will see the number 1 stock to buy to make you a millionaire. Number 8 is Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that first appeared in 2011 and has gained widespread popularity since then. Charlie Lee, a former Google developer who spent years working at Coinbase, was the brains behind the coin's creation. Litecoin offers a number of benefits over other cryptocurrencies that other cryptocurrencies do not have. Litecoin was designed by Charlie Lee in order to be Bitcoin's rescuer. Because of its quicker block production rate and shorter confirmation periods, Litecoin is a better alternative for transactions than Bitcoin, which is unable to keep up with the rapid expansion of the cryptocurrency market. Litecoin has a high level of liquidity as well as visibility. This is vital for cryptocurrency investors because they need to ensure that their assets do not lose value as a result of illiquidity, otherwise their investments would lose value. Binance Coin is ranked 7th. It is a cryptocurrency that allows users to trade and pay fees on one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, known as Binance Coin. Since its introduction in 2017, Binance has grown beyond its original purpose of enabling transactions to include the use of its cryptocurrency for travel and the purchase of products from merchants that accept it as payment. One of the most significant benefits for BNB holders is that they get reductions when paying fees on the blockchain, which is a significant saving. A combative community has developed as a result of this incentive, which reduces the amount of money that traders have to spend on everyday operations. Burning is essential for BNB in order to maintain its development and stability throughout time. It is Binance's commitment to burn a certain amount of coins every quarter until there are no more than 50% of the total supply left in circulation. Deflation enhances the worth of money as a result of increasing competition among purchasers, which might result in higher prices for investors over time. Monero is the 6th cryptocurrency, XMR. Monero developers designed secret transactions in order to remedy the privacy shortcomings of Bitcoin. These enable partially anonymous transactions that are guaranteed to be safe from hacking due to the implementation of ring signatures, which obscure users' identities without any actual input about them being known on a transaction-by-transaction basis, all while remaining completely verifiable through signature checks, and are completely verifiable through signature checks. Bitcoins are not a completely anonymous payment method. When there is a suspicion that users may have used them for illicit behavior, regulators may track them down and prohibit them from being utilized. These are traceable since the general public is aware of each Bitcoin transaction as well as specific information about the persons involved. The Monero blockchain, on the other hand, is fully concealed from the general public's gaze. This implies that transactions are secret, and users may complete them without disclosing personal information to anybody else involved in the process, not even other members of the network that they are using. Stellar is number 5. The Stellar network is a decentralized method of communication that allows users to exchange various forms of currencies with one another. When it was founded in 2014, its mission was to bring together the world's financial systems into a single cohesive whole, thereby making it more accessible for people all over the world who want to access financial services without relying on third-party intermediaries such as banks and other traditional institutions. It has achieved this goal. The Lumen coin is used by Stellar to store value. It trades on the blockchain under the name XLM. It is a cryptocurrency. It has done very well over the previous few of years. A large part of this is due to the widespread enthusiasm around cryptocurrency. The second part of the equation has to deal with the vast number of unbanked people throughout the globe. It is possible that the Stellar network may prove to be a valuable tool for international loan and remittance providers. The benefit of this initiative is mostly derived from its ability to increase access in underbanked developing market nations. Access to financial services and credit in these nations is very difficult, and citizens must battle tooth and nail to get them. They consider the currency to be a blessing, which makes it one of the greatest cryptocurrencies to invest in. Number 4, Cardano. Cardano is often described to as a possible Ethereum killer, and this is not without reason. While it does not seem to be on the verge of overtaking Ethereum anytime soon, there is a strong probability that it may continue to rise in Ethereum's shadow. Cardano is a public blockchain that determines changes via a process known as peer review. Unlike many other protocols, Cardano depends on the proof of stake (POS) method for validity and security rather than miners, like Bitcoin does with its proof of work system. Cardano is composed of two levels. The structure, which includes the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, and a computational layer developed for Ethereum-style smart contracts, enhances process speeds and enables it to manage a large number of transactions at the same time. The first allows users to run programs on their platform while simultaneously documenting each one digitally, much as Bitcoin does in its own manner. The second layer, which makes use of ADA, allows developers to design decentralized applications and to establish totally new methods of conducting business. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the sky seems to be the limit in terms of potential. However, with prices having risen by more than 1,000% this year, some are concerned that Cardano may not have much further to rise. But don't be concerned, the fact that there are several applications indicates that the future is promising. ETH is the third most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization and is often considered to be one of the most rewarding currencies to mine. This growing community has its own blockchain network, which contains smart contracts that developers may use to run code without the influence of a third party. When it comes to the cryptocurrency industry, Bitcoin and Ethereum are often seen competing for dominance. Both, on the other hand, have completely distinct applications. The former seeks to position itself as a viable alternative to national currencies. Meanwhile, Ethereum was designed to be able to generate programs on its own, which is why it has become a popular choice among developers. The fact that Ethereum is transitioning away from its existing consensus process, which involves mining and producing new blocks with computing power calculations known as proof of work, is another significant distinction between the two platforms, POW. In support of this change, it is argued that proof of work uses excessive amounts of power when compared to other solutions such as proof of stake, POS. Coincidentally, Bitcoin employs proof of work, POW, which is one of the primary reasons against its widespread adoption. With Ethereum, there are no such difficulties. Another excellent reason to consider investing in Ethereum is the thriving development community that it has attracted. The Altair update is the most recent version of the software. It resulted in a number of important modifications to the blockchain. However, and perhaps more crucially for an investor, ETH performed very well in the period leading up to the upgrade. Ethereum's future holds even more significant advancements. As a result, now is an excellent moment to add to your investment portfolio. Number 2 is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that was created in the middle of 2020 and is one of the most recent meme currencies to gain popularity. Shiba Inu is a program that operates on the Ethereum network. With its starting price of $0.0000000014, SHIB is still trading much below a single cent, but its value has increased dramatically to $0.00007567, representing a 5,400,000% gain in worth. And before we get to the number 1 cryptocurrency that will make you a millionaire, please consider subscribing to my channel if you believe you've gained any value from what I'm saying. This will ensure that you don't miss any future videos. And the number 1 cryptocurrency that will make you millions is Bitcoin. It comes as no surprise that Bitcoin continues to be the most widely used cryptocurrency on the market. The cryptocurrency was founded in 2009, shortly after the economic slump, by an anonymous developer using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoins may be used to purchase goods and services, or they can be held as an investment. This is due to the fact that they are not subject to government regulation, in contrast to conventional currencies, which are based on fiat money issued by central banks. Despite the fact that Bitcoin has been around for 12 years, it is still going strong. The market capitalization has surpassed $1 trillion. It is impossible to overstate the significance of this coin. The blockchain technology that is associated with Bitcoin is altering the way we think about money. Cryptocurrency markets are tough to forecast since they are volatile. Although it is not impossible, given the bull run that Bitcoin has been on over the last several weeks, hitting $100,000 by the end of 2021 is not ruled out. The possibility of an occasional crash is not ruled out. However, the price of Bitcoin has more than quadrupled since the summer's severe price corrections. Well, that's all on our end, and we'll see you in the next video.